Hello everybody, it is Fanman Steve here once again. It is Monday, July the 24th. A package has delivered here at my house today, and we are going to do an unboxing today. I am very excited about this because this is the first time I've done an unboxing of something like this in quite a while. I think it was in September the last time that I've done an unboxing that I ordered, and I am going to open the box and we're going to see what's inside. Are you ready to see what's inside? I know that I am. Let's do it. Did I order Peanuts popcorn? Nope. Patton rotary grill box fan. There she is. There she is. As I posted in the community post box, there was going to be another fan, which is a Patton rotary box fan. And this is a very special moment for me because this is the first time me seeing this fan up close in well over 30 years. The fan took about well over 4 days to get here. It was exactly as it was advertised. Looks to be in really good shape. Also, not to mention that it got here safely. It's very well packaged. This is the back of the fan. There's the back. There is the power switch. Everything to this fan seems to be original. The only thing about the fan is that the front cover is upside down, as it was mentioned in the description, but that is not an issue for me. This is the little screw here. You just tighten it up, and the tighter it gets, and you just loosen it to where there's the friction, and as the fan is running, it sits on a screw, and circulation causes the rotation. Nothing to this is broken. Got here in one piece. I'm very, very happy with this. This is another blast from the past for me, and I am very, very happy for it. I gave about 75 bucks for this. The seller was very square dealing and very reliable. We are going to have a look at the information. The model is a CA-1284, and this was manufactured in 1987 of April. There's a serial number. There are the electricals. The tag is a little scratched out there on the end, but that's not a problem for me. This is not going to be a restoration. I'm going to keep this as original as possible. And this is the power cord, which I do believe is to be original. Very good shape. No corrosion at all whatsoever with the prongs. Doesn't appear to be frayed anywhere. And everything appears to be in decently good shape. Give a little story on this fan before I start it up. This is actually one of the why this fan is very special to me. This is actually one of the very first box fans that I remember seeing as an infant. I go way back with this, and it took me many years just to look this up and to find it. Worked very hard to get it. And there's Binky the cat. And the memories that I have of this fan is the very first box fan that I remember being in my bedroom in my very first house. And I just remember me playing with it, and I remember exactly the way that it looked. It was so odd looking to me, but it almost looked like a play toy at the same time, considering of how small it is and just the way that it was built. These were very well built, even for a smaller box fan, let alone even realizing that it was a Patton, not knowing that they had even built any box fans. These were very popular and very reliable, I'm sure, even among those who were not big fan fanatics. This was the only box fan like this that I remember seeing growing up. I'm not exactly sure what became of it. Maybe it was given to a family member, or it quit and it was just thrown away altogether. I think it was maybe in 92 or 93 the last time that I ever saw it. And 32 years later, I have one right here in front of me. Now we are going to plug the fan in and we are going to test it for the first time. Okay, so that's the high speed. Okay, so the fan is a little noisy. Turn it to the left, and that's what loosens it up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so I tilt the fan back and it quiets down. Unbelievable. The circulation is literally coming out in all directions. Kind of like in the function or the behavior of an oscillating fan. I'll turn it off. Okay, everything appears to be working well so far. It is a little noisy, but I am going to have a look and see what the problem is. Hopefully it shouldn't be anything too serious. If anything, I know that it's something that I can straighten out. Let's see if we can pick up a startup sound on this. Okay, now the medium. And now the high. Spin down time on this is actually quite decent. So other than the racket, this is in really good shape. Very happy with this. Another fan to add to my collection. First time that I've ordered a fan off of eBay in quite a while. I think the last fan that I ordered off of eBay was the Wizard Hassock fan that I bought well over a year ago. I can't remember when, but yeah, this was very well deserved for me. Very happy with the seller, and I'm very happy with this, and there shall definitely be a part 2 on this. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video of the unboxing of my new fan. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we are going to be doing a part 2, and we are going to do a little clean and repair on it. You all have a good one, and I will catch you later. Bye bye.